Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice on Ubuntu 24.04. LibreOffice contains components like in MS Office. The suite contains Writer, it is like MS Word, Calc, it is like Excel, Impress, it is like Microsoft PowerPoint, Draw, it is a vector graphic editor, Base, it is like Microsoft Access, which is used creating, managing and manipulating databases. Math, it is formula editor, and charts. We have two methods. One, click on App Center, then search for LibreOffice. See here we have the LibreOffice. Click on it, click on install, and see here this is the stable version and this is the beta version. Okay, this is the one way. Otherwise, open terminal, sudo apt update, then install LibreOffice. Sudo apt install LibreOffice. It is single word. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation, and it requires this much additional space. So hit enter. See here we don't have any Writer or Word or anything. Okay, once the installation completes, you will get them. We have successfully installed LibreOffice. Click on Show Applications. See here we have the LibreBase, Calc, Draw, LibreOffice Impress, Math and Writer. Click on LibreOffice. Click on it. Suppose if you want to open spreadsheet, click on this Calc. See, we have the spreadsheet. It is like MS Excel. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install LibreOffice on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.